and good morning. And my name is Tyler. This is Your Phone Search. And my co-host, Mr. Tyler. Excited to you guys. And happy, it's Saturday, you guys. I can't believe it's Saturday. We have a nice weather like this. We have blue skies. We have the sun. I want you guys, support my phone search. I will keep my phone search going for you guys. I want you guys to help me subscribe my phone search channel right now. Man, I support my phone search with you guys. You guys, you're awesome. And what I'm doing out there. This means a lot to me. I can't believe we have a awesome nice weather right now. And we just spent time and we're doing this weekend. Yes, not me. Tomorrow on Saturday, and we have a game. I hope you guys will be there at my game tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. I'm playing a baseball game. We got it's like my old school. We're playing. I can't believe we have an awesome, beautiful weather right now. The bus is tripping out there for my phone search. I'm happy, yes, support my phone search again. And my childhood, yes, go to my website and my Facebook. And please, subscribe my channel on my Facebook. And my childhood, this is Your Phone Search. And have a good and you guys will have a good morning. And welcome to my phone search. And my phone search is our business. Don't forget. My name is Tyler, and have a beautiful, beautiful day like this. You guys will go to my website, my Facebook. This is Tyler's Phone Search, where make your dreams come true. And have a beautiful, beautiful day. My name is Tyler. This is Your Phone Search. And have a good, you have a good morning.